Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Perplexity AI versus Siri. Perplexity AI is an advanced conversational search engine designed to give you direct, sourced answers to complex queries. On the other hand, Siri is Apple's intelligent personal assistant, focused on helping you manage tasks, control devices, and interact with your Apple ecosystem. While both use artificial intelligence, their primary purposes and strengths diverge quite a bit, making them suitable for different needs. Let's dive into their unique capabilities. Perplexity AI truly shines when you need in-depth information and reliable sources. It acts like a super-powered search engine, not only finding answers, but also summarizing them clearly and providing direct links to its sources. This means you can easily verify the information yourself. It's fantastic for research, learning new topics, or getting quick, authoritative overviews on almost any subject, offering a level of detail Siri typically doesn't provide. Siri, conversely, is your go-to for personal assistance within the Apple world. It's deeply embedded across iPhones, iPads, Macs, and HomePods, allowing for effortless voice commands. You can ask Siri to send a text, set a timer, play music, or even control your smart home devices with simple phrases. Its strength lies in its ability to perform actions and manage your digital life efficiently, making everyday interactions much smoother and more convenient. So when should you use each? If you're looking for comprehensive answers, deep dives into topics, or need to understand complex information with verifiable sources, Perplexity AI is your best bet. However, if you need to quickly send a message, set a reminder, control your smart lights, or interact with your Apple devices hands-free, Siri is the clear winner. They complement each other well, serving different yet equally valuable purposes in your digital life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.